Hey guys, I just got the new 1500 Cigar Humidor from Newair, so today I'm going to tell you all about it. What's up guys, welcome back to Gents Lounge. I'm George. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do that right now. It really helps us out. We are here talking about men's fashion, cocktails, whiskey, cigars, and basically anything a guy wants to know about. So today we are talking about Newair's 1500 Cigar Humidor. Now I've been using this for about a month and I can tell you why it's perfect for me, and I'll tell you a few things that I think they could do better. So first things first, if you're watching a video about a 1500 Cigar Humidor, I assume you know why cigars need to be humidified, but if you're watching this just for fun, let me explain why it's important to keep your cigars at a particular humidity. So cigars are made up of tobacco leaves, and those tobacco leaves have oils in them. And when the oils dry up, you lose a lot of the flavor that's coming out of your cigar. So one, it's important to keep those oils there to keep the flavor and your cigars intact. Two, if your cigars change humidity from maybe 100% to 50% very quickly, like most things, they will expand and contrast with the humidity. So if it expands or contrasts too quickly, you can get cracks in the wrapper of your cigar. So it's very important to keep your cigars between 65 and 75% relative humidity. So let's get into this 1500 Cigar Humidor from Newair. The first thing that I absolutely love about it is how easy it is to season. And basically that means put moisture into the wood. So a lot of times you will just add either distilled water or wipe the sides of it. That's traditionally how it's done, which is a bit iffy for me because it can cause mold. With this machine right here, it is very simple. All you have to do is fill this reservoir at the bottom, which humidifies this whole case right here, and set it to 5 to 10 degrees above the relative humidity that you want it to be set at. Let it chill for 3 days. It's going to up the humidity in those cedar drawers. You can just turn it down and set it to the humidity that you want to put your cigars in. I let it chill for another day just to see if it regulated properly, and then I added my cigars in. Now, as you can see, in this humidor, I had 350 plus cigar humidors that I filled up into here, and this thing still looks very empty. So if you are a casual cigar smoker and not much of a collector, I don't know if this is the right purchase for you. But if you do plan to buy cigars by the box and age them or see how they age, which now that I have the space to do it, I'm going to pretty much exclusively buy cigars by the box so I can see how they age over time, and also, have some for parties and to give to my friends, and maybe even collect a few. So this humidor comes with 4 cedar drawers. The top 3 are very flat and able to accept boxes of cigars, or you can lay out cigars while you have the space to do so. And then the bottom drawer is basically for kind of your loose extra cigars or your cabinet cigars that are not in boxes. So along with the fact that it's super easy to season this humidor, another thing I love is that it regulates the humidity for you. So basically you pull out the bottom drawer, you pop open this plastic cap, and you pour distilled water into this reservoir that holds water for up to, I'd say, about 30 days, because I've had this for about 30 days and I have not refilled it yet, but it is getting kind of low. The only thing I don't like about it is that when you pour the distilled water in, you can't really see how much water you need to put in or how much water it can take. So you have to pull out the top drawer, get a flashlight in there, and make sure you're not overfilling it. Now, very easy fix, and if you only have to do it 12 times a year, not a huge deal, but it would be nice to know when you're getting close to full. So once you have your water in there, you can set the humidity on this top bar right here along with the temperature. So I have it at 70 degrees and 69% humidity. So whenever the humidity drops below the ideal number, this thing kicks on and keeps it at a consistent humidity, which is awesome because if you've had cigars in the past, trying to regulate your humidor with distilled water is a very stressful process, and sometimes things can get out of whack. And if things get out of whack for too long, you are literally just ruining all of the money that you spent on your cigars. So I love this thing because it gives me the peace of mind that The humidity will always be consistent. I did put my own hygrometer in there and I did check it to make sure it was consistent with what it said on the digital readout right here, and it was within 1 degree of humidity, so I think it's doing a very, very good job so far. So another great thing about this humidor, especially if you have it in a dark room or a basement or something, is when you open the door, it is lit up by a row of lights on the side. So when you pull your cigars out, you can really see what you're looking at and find the right cigar very, very quickly without having to keep it open too long and let all the humidity out. Overall, I would say this humidor is 100% worth the money if you are looking to collect cigars and buy cigars by the box. If you smoke 1 or 2 cigars a year, maybe not the right investment for you at this time. But if you are a seasoned cigar smoker and have multiple humidors around your house like I did, this is definitely the logistical next step. So if you guys want to check out Newair, I will have a link down below with a little discount code for you. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers.